So you finally have your website ready, but don't yet have a domain. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain from Wix. So you want to log into your Wix account first and foremost, guys. And in order to buy a domain, you want to click your account on the upper right and just go into the account settings right there. Once you're in the account settings on the left hand side, click on domains. And right here, you have the option to connect your existing domain, or you can basically buy a new domain. So let's say we don't have one just yet. We click on buy a domain and we just start to search for whatever we want. So let's say I wanted to type in get my domain, for example, .com. I don't know if that's available, but you will see. I click on search and it's going to basically search for whatever it is that I would like to get, right? And you will see right away once the result pops up if it's available or not. And here you can see that it's not available, but they give you some other options. And let's say I'm going to work with one of them, right? Getinmydomain.com. Let's say I want that one. I click on get. It will take me over to this page here, which is where I can purchase or continue to purchase. It basically shows me how much I get if I purchase it for 3 years, 1 year, so forth, right? So here you can see 1 year, this is the price, 2 year, this is the price, 3 year, this is the price, right? And you have all the way up to 10 years, right? And you just basically choose whatever you want. You go to next and you will fill in all the information right here. As you can see, you will continue all of this and you basically go through the 4 step. You go through the period, the contact info, your privacy and security options, and you check out. And once you go to checkout, obviously you choose if you're paying with your credit card or whatever, and you pay for the domain. Once you have the domain done, you will also have that domain under your account. And so once you're here, you're able to connect your domain to your Wix account. I'm going to go back right here. Let's say you already have your domain. Here, it basically I need to upgrade to be able to do all of that, right? So you need a paid program to be able to connect your domain, right? So you need to have a paid subscription on Wix to be able to connect existing domain that you have. But once you do, it will make it super easy for you to connect your domain or purchase and link your domain to your Wix website directly from here. And that's it.